Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, we will be learning how we can easily log into your existing Airbnb account. To sign in or log into your existing Airbnb account is super easy. You can go ahead and open up a web browser and log into your Airbnb site, or you can also open up the Airbnb application on your device, and then you'll end up in the sign in or sign up page. Choose whether you'd like to log in or sign up to Airbnb. If you have an existing account, you can go ahead and select your country and then type in your phone number to sign in. But remember how you have previously signed up for your account. If you've signed up with phone number, then you'll need to do the same here. If you've signed up with email, Facebook, Google or Apple, choose the same method while logging into your account as well. Since I created an account with email, I'm going to tap on continue with email. On the next page, enter the email address associated with your Airbnb account and tap continue. On the next page, enter your password correctly for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping forgotten password link at the bottom and following through the instructions. Enter your password correctly if you remember and tap continue. Wait for a few seconds and there you have successfully logged into your existing Airbnb account, whether you are a host or a guest. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.